Beaver run. And look what we got here. We got a couple of ducks taking a snooze. Okay, time to wake up, guys. Here comes the Zino. All the geese have come up the hill. Usually they're down there swimming. But they've all come up the hill. Now geese can be kind of ornery, so they're walking away. They don't want no trouble, which I don't either, so. And then there's these two taking a snooze. But hell with that. We got the Zino. That's all that matters. Zino. Okay, guys, we're out here with the Zino and the ducks and every other thing like that. We're up here at Beaver Run, and I'm waiting for some GPS to come in. Right now, I only got 6, and boy, it's pretty windy up here too. You know, it's pretty windy, but I think that video's still looking fuzzy. I might have to make another adjustment on this camera, but man, it's such a pain. Okay, it's such a pain to do that. Yeah, I know. There's a duck sitting right there. Okay, I'm gonna start the video. Oh yes, gotta go through this process. Good GPS accuracy, yay. Okay, we're gonna record.
Refresh the return point. Please mind the return position.
Those ducks have said, I'll beat it. Beat it, Zino. Oh, there goes all the geese. They're all taking off. There goes the Zino, crab walking everywhere. Look at it. Oh man, I wish you guys could see I've had hack cam on. It's completely going sideways. This is the Zino Pro, by the way. Yep, that video is still fuzzy. wind is really kicking up, so I know up there it's really pretty bad. Down here it's pretty bad, so I could just imagine what it's like up there from like 200. I was like 200 feet up. I'm just trying to get back to shore here before something goes crazy, because this wind is really kicking up, man. It's really kicking up. All right, boys, there you go. Zino Pro with the buggy camera. We'll get it worked out. Eventually, I'll fix it. It's just a matter of time. Now I'm going to do one of them precision landings. That's how you do it right there. You just pull it down. You don't hit that shit on the controller. Forget that, okay? That's crap. Just pull the stick down till it hits the ground. Real simple stuff. Stop the video. All right, guys. You have a nice day.